Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Si Lando Assistant po ito para sa ating review on probability, permutation, and combination. Ito po yung ating problem ngayon. A fair coin is flipped 9 times. What is the probability of the coin landing tails up exactly 5 times? Pag ganito po ang klase ng problem where sa bawat pag-flip ng coin, merong dalawang possible results and the results could be tails or heads, ang tawag po sa kanya is a Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trials are random experiments with exactly 2 outcomes. Dito po, dalawa lang ang pwedeng outcomes, either heads or tails. That's why this is a Bernoulli trial problem. In the Bernoulli trial, there are conditions. Number 1, the number of trials should be finite. Dito, alam natin na we are going to do the trials 9 times. Pangalawa, each trial should be independent. Ibig sabihin, yung result ng first flipping of the coin will not affect the second flipping of the coin and will not affect the succeeding flipping of the coins. Number 3, each trial should have only 2 possible outcomes: success and failure, heads or tails, yes or no. Number 4, the probability of each outcome should be the same in every trial. So here, the probability of getting tails is always 1/2. So all these 4 conditions are met, and therefore, we now say that we have here a Bernoulli trial, and we can apply what we call as the binomial probability. The binomial probability formula is the probability of getting an X. In here, we would like to get exactly 5 tails is equal to, this is another way of writing combination. The combination of 9 objects taken X at a time times the probability of success raised to X, where X is the number of times a specific outcome within N trials happened, times Q. Our Q here is the probability of failure on a single trial raised to N minus X. To make this concrete, the probability of getting exactly 5 tails is equal to 9 combined 5 at a time, because there are 9 trials and there are 5 success. The probability of success, that is the probability of getting a tails, is 1/2, and we want it to happen exactly 5 times. The probability of failure, that is getting heads, is also 1/2, and if there are 9 trials and 5 of them are favorable, then the non-favorable trials would be 9 minus 5 equals 4. So, computing now for P's of 5, we now have 126 for 9 combined, 5 at a time. 1/2 raised to the 5th is 1/32, and 1/2 raised to the 4th is 1/16. Multiply the numerators. 126 times 1 times 1 is 126. 32 times 16 is 512. Reduce to lowest term. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the common factor 2. And this is approximately equal to 24.609%, which is letter C. So thank you very much, and we hope to see you again in our next video.